Today we are going to talk about part 6 of the power factor series. In part 5 we learned about the APFC panel and different components in APFC panel. Today we are going to see the basic component of the APFC panel, that is capacitor. Capacitors are building blocks of the APFC panel, and in real time if you see any APFC panel, the capacitor will look something like this. And this is a CAN capacitor, and if you see the nameplate rating of the capacitor, you will get the microfarad, you will get the voltage rating, and you will get the kVAR rating. So these three are the most important parameters of a capacitor. First is voltage rating. Usually it is 10% more than the system voltage, and if the APFC panel has a detuned reactor, this voltage has to be even more. That we'll be discussing in the coming videos. For now we can take 10% more than the system voltage would be the rated voltage of the capacitor. The second parameter of the capacitor selection is duty of the capacitor, which depends on harmonic level. Based on the harmonic level, we define the duty of the capacitor. Now we'll be seeing the connection of the capacitor. Majorly, if you see, the capacitor will be connected either in a delta connection or a Y connection. In the L, we mainly use the delta connected or the delta configuration of the capacitor connection, and that is because for the same amount of kVAR, the required amount of capacitance in delta is lesser than the required amount of capacitance in star. The formula for capacitance in case of star is qVAR total divided by 2 pi f v line to line square, and in delta it is qVAR total divided by 3 into 2 pi f into v line to line square. So you can clearly see in case of delta, the capacitance required for the same amount of kVAR is 1/3 of the capacitance required in the star. So that is the reason why we mainly go for delta connection in case of LV system and LV APFC panels. In the next video, this is all for the capacitor bank. In the next video, we'll be understanding more about how to arrive at this kVAR value for the given amount of load. Suppose there are 10 loads in your system and they are requiring certain amount of kVAR, and you want to improve the power factor of the system. So how to arrive at the required amount of kVAR, and that in other terms is also called APFC bank sizing, that we'll be understanding in the further videos. Also we'll get to know more about different other components in the APFC panel like contactor, power factor relay, power factor controller, and other components involved in the APFC panels. Thank you.